Okay, there's Miss Dark Ears, who came in early. She's in for a snack. This is the food. I need to get them more water. Okay, so she came in early. Chowing down. We're gonna go outside. We have all sorts of X-Pens, trying to keep them apart from the adults upstairs because Mama Dog gets kind of mad at them, so. And everybody's just out playing where they want to play. Moving on. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably chewing on Mom's bone. There's Mr. Ringtail. Okay. Oh, we have 2 up here. Conquering the mountain, as it were. Oh, look what we have up here. Boy, they are all over. That's one of the big boys on the left. Ah, that's Mr. Ringtail. He moves really pretty. We'll see who goes where they go. 'Cause look at that bone. Nice thick old paws and legs. The adventurers. Yeah, a little mound there. There was a squirrel getting underneath, or rabbits, I guess. Rabbits. That's Noah up there. Hello, Noah. Whoa. Noah's kind of a mama's boy. Oh boy. Chill out, animals. Puppy wars. Yeah, there's Mr. Green. I think that's Mabel underneath him. There's Misty way out there. Hello, Misty. She's Miss Independent. I had one in the last year's litter I named Dora the Explorer because she was off by herself. Misty's not that bad. She's just going for a good chew. Yeah, rompity rompity. Chairs around for social distancing. All the times we live in. What do we have here? We have somebody wanting my shoe. Okay, whoever gets Mr. Orange, keep your shoes away. Is he a cutie? Is he a cutie? Yes. Okay, hi. I've got Noah at my leg. He wants to chew on me too. Mr. Hoppity Hop Toad. Yeah, you want up. He's really a snuggler. Yeah. He wants to be held. I think they're pooping out. They're pooping out here. They're kind of on the pillow. Mom's still looking for her bone. I don't think she realizes that it's underneath. What? What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Green Dog? Huh? Well, somebody's down, so we gotta attack them. Passive position. Jeez. Okay. Is Mom's bone under there? Nope, I don't see it. Mom might have eaten it. Okay, that's Noah. There's liking to sit behind the panels here, which means oh, look here. We have Misty. She's gonna climb the stairs. At my last house, I had stairs, and they would make it down 2 stairs, so they kind of got used to 2 stairs. I'm sorry, but the stairs are going to be on you guys. Because I don't have... I'm not going to introduce them to these stairs and have them go up and down these. It's a lot more stairs than I had at my last house. What you doing, Miss Buffhead? Miss Buffhead? Are you going to try and get up there? Oh, yeah. I know. Try to get those rear legs up there, huh? That's how it works. At least they're not afraid. We have Mr. Green there. We have Mr. Ringtail. And I think that's Misty behind. Yep. It's Independent. Mabel. Oh, goodness. She's kind of on the independent side too. Well, aren't they all? They're peers. Oh, there's my doggy bath. If you ever want a bath that saves your back, those are wonderful. And those are their dog tramps. I should probably bring one down here. I don't like them snowed on. Oh, puppy antics. Yeah, keep them moving, because then they're quiet. A sleeping puppy is a growing puppy. What are you doing there, Misty? Checking out the yard? She looks like she's going to be athletic like her mom. Nice coat, though. Boy, when that one gets a bath, she's going to be pretty. Look at that stance. Wow. Okay. She's a hippity hopper today. Yeah, we got a scrum there. Oh, he's got a branch in his mouth. Ringtail boy. There's the marshmallow. There's Miss Buffhead. Oh, she's got Mama's bone. She found Mama's bone. Okay, it's cold out here. We're gonna get a storm. You probably can't see. It's as big as I can make it, but it's coming. It's cold. It's freezing here. So I'm going in. Enough puppy antics. I hear growling someplace. Oh, there they are. Oh, yeah. Puppy antics.